In Meghalaya, the overall turnout of voters in the assembly elections has been recorded as 85.17%. Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkungor said these figures are without postal ballot. He also said that if polls were held in Soyong, which is a rural constituency with traditionally high turnout, the percentage could have touched 86%. Stating that polling in the state was by and large peaceful, Kharkungor said there were reports of some electronic voting machines malfunctioning. The replacement percentage for ballot units, control units and VVPATs were 0.82, 0.79 and 2.69 respectively, he said. The exercise was conducted across 3,419 polling stations in 59 assembly constituencies, and 1,830 of these polling stations were under webcasting, he said.
And largely, by and large, it was smooth with very less hiccups. Today, polling was held across 3,419 polling stations. Originally, we have 3,482, but as you know, in Soyong, the polls have been adjourned due to the death of the contesting candidate.